Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this week tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up auto sell in Plants versus Brainrots so your inventory doesn't get full too quickly. First, just open your inventory and then just tap on auto sell, this one. And then in here you will notice there are two sections, Rarity and Mutations. Let's start with Rarity. If you want to prevent your inventory from filling up, I recommend enabling auto sell for lower tiers like dailies up to rare. Just tap the buttons until they turn gray. Gray means those items will be automatically sold whenever you get them. And then next move the mutation sections. This part is optional and depends on your play styles, but if you want to keep it simple, just set auto sell on normal mutations only. And okay, that's it. With this setup, your inventory will stay clean, organized, and you won't have to manually sell low value item again. Okay, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.